Hello friends. Welcome to Short Moral Tales. In a small village, there lived a wise and compassionate priest named Father Michael. He was revered by the villagers not only for his deep understanding of religious scriptures but also for his selfless service to the community. Father Michael's life was a testament to love, empathy, and kindness. One day, a terrible drought struck the village, leaving the crops withered and the people desperate for water and sustenance. With each passing day, the situation grew more dire, and the villagers' spirits began to wane. Father Michael, moved by the suffering of his people, decided to take matters into his own hands. He prayed fervently for divine intervention, asking for rain to bless the parched land. Despite the villagers' skepticism, Father Michael's unwavering faith inspired them to believe that miracles were possible. Days turned into weeks, but the heavens remained silent. Still, Father Michael refused to give up hope. He organized prayer gatherings and encouraged the villagers to come together and support one another during this trying time. His words were a soothing balm to their wounded hearts, and they found comfort in his presence. One afternoon, as Father Michael walked through the village, he noticed a young boy sitting alone by a dried-up well, tears streaming down his dusty cheeks. The boy was trying to dig a well of his own, using a small shovel. Father Michael asked the boy gently why he was digging when all attempts had failed. The boy looked up at Father Michael with earnest eyes and said, "Father, I don't want my family to suffer anymore. I want to find water for them." Moved by the child's determination and compassion, Father Michael knelt beside him and placed a comforting hand on his shoulder. "My dear child, your efforts are commendable," he said with a warm smile, "but sometimes, we must accept that certain things are beyond our control. Let us have faith that help will come in due time." The boy looked uncertain, but he nodded and decided to trust the wise priest's words. They sat there for a while, watching the horizon as the sun dipped below the horizon. That night, as the villagers gathered for their evening prayers, the sky turned drizzly and started to rain. Everyone looked up in amazement, and soon, the gentle rain turned into a downpour, drenching the earth with the much-needed water. Next morning, all villagers rejoiced as the drought finally came to an end. The fields turned green once more, and the spirits of the villagers lifted, filled with gratitude for the miracle they had witnessed. Father Michael humbly accepted their praise, but he knew in his heart that the real miracle was the power of faith and the love that bound the community together. Besides priests' unwavering faith on God, it was also young boys' determination to make a difference that touched the heavens and brought forth the rains. From that day on, the village thrived under Father Michael's guidance. He continued to inspire the people to be kind, caring, and compassionate towards one another, reminding them that true strength lay not in individual efforts but in unity and solidarity. And so, the heart-touching story of Father Michael, the devoted priest, and the young boy's unwavering faith became a legend in the village. Their legacy endured as a testament to the strength of love, faith, and the impact that one act of tenacity can have on many people's lives. Thanks for watching. See you soon with a new short moral tale.
Bye.